Hey, welcome back. Well, I figured it's about time for a Honda headlight update, but I believe it's been about a year and a half since I did the headlight restore on the one on the right. Now I haven't cleaned any of them, either one of these with any Windex or anything like that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll zoom in. Okay, I've got both headlights clean, and I'll show you the one on the left first. This is the one that I did not do. I'm waiting for it to get a whole bunch worse. And we'll just go on over to the one on the right. And this is the one that I did about a year and a half ago, I believe. Now I've got some sunlight coming in from the right side of the camera. But I would say overall, that headlight has held up really well in this hot Arizona climate for a year and a half. So if you're thinking about replacing your headlights, they're quite expensive, I would recommend trying this kit that I used. This is the kit that I used a year and a half ago, and it's made by Sylvania. They have a different box out now, but it's the same kit, and lifetime warranty. I don't know how long it's going to take for this headlight to cloud over, but I'm going to probably keep posting updates. And in the meantime, let me show you what else I'm going to do. Yeah, this is the HHR that I'm working on, and I will be doing these headlights here. Both of them are a mess. This is the other side here. These will be getting that same treatment that I gave the Honda Element. So until the next video, this is Steve AZ711 saying, hope all your headlight restoration work goes real well. And yep, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to click the notification bell. You guessed it. Bye for now.